I'm Tim Barkley with Charleston Home and Design Magazine and talking about a home show on the radio. We are celebrating under the stars and on the red carpet here at the AIA Charleston 2010 Design Awards at Middleton Inn. And we are speaking with Christopher Rose with Christopher Rose Architects. How you doing, Chris?
I'm doing fine.
Congratulations on your nominations tonight for the AIA Charleston Design Awards. Tell our listeners and viewers about the projects that you have up for nomination.
Well, we we submitted two projects, and they're probably polar opposites. One's fairly traditional, and one's very contemporary. We had a client that wanted to do a very contemporary home that had a beautiful lot facing a lagoon, and so they pretty much wanted it all glass. And of course, there were some challenges to that, and because of course we have a lot of sun here and overhang, so we have 8-foot overhangs, and but we used a European glazing system so that we could have very narrow mullions and pretty much have all glass. And we ended up with the hurricane requirements. The interior is all steel, and the client was forthcoming enough to let us expose the steel. So we blued the steel like you do guns, and the other home we did was in a it's an area of Kiowa that all the neighborhoods of Kiowa have different little guidelines within each neighborhood, and this particular one wants natural materials on the exterior. It's a shingle-style home, and it's interesting because this neighborhood, they don't want any two-story expressions on the exterior, and so the client wanted a two-story foyer and a two-story living room. So we wrapped a front porch around the front. We have a large circular rotunda because they entertain a good bit. So we have a bar and like a very welcoming round rotunda with a very interesting wood truss ceiling. Pretty dramatic. And then we did a two-story living room and then wrapped a porch on the rear, so again from the outside you don't see the big vertical flatness of the wall. You have the porch, which breaks up the massing of the house.
They sound like amazing projects and quite challenging. Do you ever work on a project that isn't challenging?
Well, yeah. Well, that's the beauty of our profession, is that we go through the same process each time, but with the client, the location, there's always something unique, and that's what really makes it very interesting.
That's great. Well, we have been talking with Chris Rose with Christopher Rose Architects here at the AIA Charleston 2010 Design Awards. Thank you, Chris.
Thank you.